Oh boy, see, my people, I want to know between Muslim, Christian, the difference between Muslim and Christian. I want to know if una like, una take am, if una like, una not take am. Imagine, Muslim, they better pass Christian 100%. Now, know why I say Muslim better pass Christian 100%. Muslim, they get love for themselves. Muslim man, they too get love for themselves. If Muslim man can never see your that one, say if they hungry, say he go abandon and say no go help him. He must surely help him. And second thing, their prayer very simple. Competition one day. You know go they borrow clothes. You know go they run up and down, go they steal before you say you want pay off. No, anything will come from your heart. If you just go, just pay, you come out. If you like, you won't drop anything. If you like, not drop anything. You pray your prayer, you come out. And where there are women for the prayer, they different. Where there are men for the prayer. Christian now, one, you go, if you not get money, pastor not go recognize you. They not go give you a higher post. Now who get money, now they carry share ready for side church. Now they carry mama, they call her mama. Daddy. Now who get money? If you not get money, they don't recognize you. Christian, they don't turn Christian to competition. You go to borrow, you go to some boys all day now the day when they buy new shirts, now they go church. Even some girls, if they don't buy new shirts, new something, they not go church. They don't spoil Christian, they don't turn Christian to another level. You understand? So as I join Muslim, now my heart can open. Cause before, when I did Christian before, if I don't get money to buy new shirts, because everybody will your jewelry competition, I'll go to borrow clothes from my friend hand. All those ones not digging them. If I want to go mosque, anything when I just see, you just not dirty shirt, I also feel good because now God I go serve. Once I knock on Allah Wakuba, I shadow Hannah Muhammad Rasulullah, God go hear me well. He go hear me well. If I all pray finish, I stop enter my house 5 times in a day. I just want to pray. I'll get rest of mind. Pastor go to drive private jet, member go to suffer. Pastor go Jesus. That private jet money, you know go say me you take come, me use and take help. But Muslim, the offering money, they don't help people will not get. Now be sadaka. If you say they lie, when I go investigate them, they go this and they help. The first day when me join Muslim, they ask me my leakage, where as in I get job or whether I not get, me they know how does it help me. They help themselves. Why Christian now don't turn to a business industry? Imagine. Number one for a side, what did they pay me for Christian people? You will go church. Now God you go serve before. Honorary breast where you go to see, pastor go to preach, you go to go breast, woman go dress, go wear different type of useless thing. They'll carry enter church. You know go there after pastors again. You know the woman high now you go to work. All those ones not still to pay me. Waiting can't pay me for a side now. Pastor will just they use our money, they buy private jet, they buy different houses. There's not they not go and make the help member go to sell pure water, member go to suffer. That's why I say make I come outside, make I let you know the difference between Christian and Muslim. My brother, not beside the lie. As before I condemn Muslim, but as I join Muslim, my heart open. I see difference. 100% Muslim too better pass Christian. Mona not that me. 100%. Now, Muslim, Christian now, they don't turn to Babalawo. Muslim don't, Christian don't turn to Babalawo. Pastor go meet Babalawo, go to call power. Till they pray. My brother, Mona, I don't talk my own, when I like, when I insult me, when I like, anything when I like, when I talk. But God say, the truth can set you free. Me, I don't talk my own. I don't talk my own. Mona go join Muslim. Muslim better pass Christian. Competition all day. This one no call they say now one shirt they wear they come mosque. Now one shirt but Christian they go commonize you, criticize you. If you don't get money, they don't give you post. They will just they condemn you. Post not the Muslim. Just go pray for there, come out for there. Apart from Alpha, finish. Your pray, come out for there. I beg my people.